Okay, welcome everyone to this lectures. So today's this lecture we will talk about. Oh, sorry, let me share my screen here real quick, please. Okay, great. So today we would like to talk heat pump in the cooling mode. So what we'll include for this lecture is so very interesting one. How does the heat pump work and air-to-air heat pump cooling mode? Okay, moving on to next slide. So this slide we are talking about what is an air-to-air heat pump and the cooling mode. So this is the most common heat pump type. Also, you will have in your for your AC at your house as well. They often look very similar to the standard air conditioning split unit with a unit located outside and another unit located inside. As you can see at the left side of the photo, they are either working as a heating only device as you can see at the top left of the photo, and also alternatively the more popular choice is to have a device which can provide both heating and cooling by making the use of the reversing valve. So by reversing the cycle going left or going right, as you can see on the bottom left of the photo, there are different ways to configure a reversing valve heat pump. I will show you a very simple typical examples. As you can see the right side of the photo on the top. So the main component here will be go very quickly here. So we'll have for the in this type we have the system are the compressors, reversing valve, the indoor heat exchangers, and expansion valve with a non-return valve bypass, a bidirectional filter dryer, a side glass, another expansion valve with a non-return valve bypass, and then we will have a outdoor heat exchangers. Also, we'll have a controllers, a number of temperature and pressure sensors around the system as well. So let's get more deep for this cooling mode. So you can see down the top right of the photo, starting from compressors. Now this time we are going from counterclockwise. We are going counterclockwise. So the system will act like a normal split air conditioner, the one like you have at AC at your house. So the compressor will force those you see blue colors, high pressure, high temperature vapors, refrigerant into the reversing valve. The reversing valve is basically divert this into the outdoor unit. So outdoor unit is on your left, that heat exchangers. The fan of the outdoor unit will blow ambient air across the heat exchangers. So this ambient air will be cooler temperature, so it will carry the thermal energy of the refrigerant away. So refrigerant will condense as it loses its thermal energy. So having given up some of its energy, the refrigerant leaves as a high pressure, slightly cooler liquid. So so it now we're heading into the expansion valve, but this is closed. So the refrigerant passes through the non-return valve, then will pass it through the side glasses and the bidirectional filter dryers. So the next non-return valve will then be closed, so refrigerant will pass it through this expansion valve at the second expansion valve. So now as the refrigerant passes through this expansion valve, the refrigerant valve change to the phases will change to a partial liquid, partial vapor mixtures, which will cause it to drop it to because of the temperature and pressures, and it will then flow into the indoor heat exchanger. Indoor heat exchanger is where you can see on the right side of this top right photos. So now we are going to the 3 o'clock positions, and in here a fan will blow warmer indoor air over the coils. This will cause the the heat to transfer from this air into the refrigerant. So this is the air to air because both of them are in the air type. And so the refrigerant will boil and will take the heat away, and then refrigerant leaves the indoor unit as a low pressure, low temperature, slightly superheated state, and then flow into a reversing valve. And then the reversing valve will diverting this refrigerant back to the compressor and will restart the cycle again and again. So I hope you enjoy this videos. I would like to see you more in the next videos lectures. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you next one. Bye.